So here's the deal, guys. Let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be going into how to write Facebook ad copy that makes your ads profitable. Now, most brands that their copy on paid social. They focus on creative, and that's fine, but that isn't where stuff ends. The copy is very important. So generally, your ad copy needs to give people a clear idea of what your product is, what it'll do for them, as in your customers, and how it'll change your customer's experience or life or whatever that is. And the thing about copy is it needs contrast to work. Your copy has to have some sort of contrasting element to it. It has to, create some kind of a difference, right? And most brands don't understand this. Most creatives, they don't understand this. So they resort to things like comparison charts and us versus them ads, when in reality, your copy, which people do actually read, needs to hammer this home too. So too often, brands are going to be like making a video or an image, and they're going to have this lackluster piece of recycled copy they're going to use on that image or video every time. You can see it all over. If you look at ad libraries for companies like SoloWave or like Hello Bello, you'll just see ads, and you'll see the same piece of lackluster copy on like 12 or 15 or 20 ads, and it's a complete waste. Most of this copy rattles off like benefits and features when most people were perfectly fine without your product, right? They weren't sitting down imagining, oh, what if, someone invented this? They were, for the most part, completely fine without your expensive product. And the thing is, it's up to you to magnify the difference and illustrate that difference between life without your product and life with it. You can do this visually, but you also should be doing this in your ad copy as well. Let's look at it. So this ad here, right? This is Magic Brief. It's a really cool service that I love a lot. Here, some photos especially left on your phone. This piece of copy has no contrast whatsoever. Useless. Doesn't work. No wonder the ad isn't working. This ad right here. Are you getting enough iron? Maintaining the iron. This is a piece of ad copy that is on like tons of ads from this brand, right? It's one of the typical checklist ads that just lists off features and benefits. And you think you're marketing when you're doing this. And to an extent, you kind of are, but this has nothing to do with their current situation. Most people think that it's totally fine to just, have some struggles during pregnancy. It's a normal part of it, right? And this comes off as just a product that is available, but it's not very, it doesn't show you what you're going through could be changed. It just tells you, hey, it does this. It gives you iron. Okay. What did I learn from this? Almost nothing, right? So a lot of your ads need to make sure that you create that kind of difference. So for example, right, could be, are you feeling tired? Are you feeling depressed? Are you feeling any of these like five or six things? Right? And you can say, it turns out iron can help with that. And when you get the iron that you need, you'll feel a lot less tired, you feel a lot more energetic, you'll feel able to support yourself, you wouldn't have fatigue as often. And that's when the copy begins to work because now you're relating to the person's current situation and you're saying, oh, I wonder, that sounds like me. I wonder if I could actually experience this difference in my life with this product. So the general gist of this is to not focus on your own product and instead focus on the contrast between someone's life without it and their life with whatever you have to sell. That's it. I'm Ethan. I am a marketer. I've generated at least 5 million from paid social ads and paid search. And subscribe and like if you enjoyed this. If you want more information about how you can make more money from ads, feel free to subscribe. I'll be putting out more of these.